Hey friends, if you wish to install the Apex Game Launcher on your PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Now wait for it to load. Search for Epic Games. Okay, and then go to Epic Games and you will find this option called Epic Game Store. Now click on install and you will be able to install the Epic Games launcher here. It is not a very huge app. It is just a launcher. It isn't the entire game itself. So this will be downloaded to your system in, let's say, a minute or something, depending upon the internet speed. We can wait till it's downloaded and then I'll show you what happens when we launch it. Okay, it's done installing. It is just checking the services and then it will install on the system. So this is how we install the Apex Game Launcher on the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.